But people must know that a commitment means a certain obligation in the eyes of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Now swearing, of course, that's the most severe. However, sometimes you should know that it's a mitzvah to swear. Suppose a person feels that he might yield to some temptation, and he swears for a short time, like a day or an hour, then that's a mitzvah. Like it says in Pirkei Avos, Nedarim siyog laprishus. Nedarim are a fence for abstinence. Let's say a person will go into a situation where there's a certain temptation to do something wrong. It's not a long situation, but a long situation is difficult to swear. Who knows what will happen subsequently? But let's say it's a 1 hour temptation, or 1 day, and he swears not to yield, then it's a mitzvah. It's better, of course, if it's a longer period, to say, in case I want to transgress my shvuah, I'll pay, instead of the shvuah, I'll pay $100 to a certain place, which ordinarily wouldn't give. Certain tzedakah, which ordinarily doesn't give, he obligates himself. He swears, in case I won't keep my shvuah, I'll pay $100. Let's say a person wants to stop smoking. Now, he can't stop himself, but he swears on the day, not for a year, on the day. In case I smoke today, I'll have to give $100, let's say, to Satmar Yeshiva, to Babasha Yeshiva. Mir Yeshiva might give anyhow. If he has to choose a Yeshiva he wouldn't give ordinarily. Now, I shouldn't say it's for a long time, but every day, if it's successful, then the next day, he should again make a shvuah. I swear I won't smoke today unless I'll pay for each cigarette $100 to listen to this yeshiva. So sometimes Nedarim and shvuahs are a mitzvah to be utilized for a person to overcome temptation.
Thank you for listening to the Guard Your Eyes Daily Chizuk broadcast. Pass them on to your friends and help spread Kedusha in the world.